Looking for the best self-leveling laser level for home and professional use in 2025? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 laser levels that deliver precision, reliability, and ease of use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, these tools make leveling, alignment, and layout tasks faster and more accurate. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started.
Fifth product on the list, LFINE Self-Leveling Laser Level. The LFINE 16-line Self-Leveling Laser Level is designed for both home and professional projects. With 2x360-degree horizontal planes and 2x360-degree vertical planes, it offers complete coverage for precise alignment. Users can easily switch between horizontal and vertical modes, making it perfect for construction, tile work, and woodworking. This model features a bright 515 nanometer green beam with exceptional accuracy of 1 millimeter at 7 meters. Its powerful self-leveling system ensures smooth and fast operation even in challenging environments. A large 4,800 mAh rechargeable battery with Type-C charging delivers over 6 hours of use, and the built-in display shows the battery status at a glance. The package also includes a durable tripod with adjustable height and a quick-release plate, plus a remote control with up to 16 feet of range for maximum convenience. The LFINE Laser Level combines precision, efficiency, and portability, making it a must-have tool in 2025.
Fourth product on the list, Hormy HJG01 Green Laser Level. The Hormy HJG01 16-line Green Laser Level is a professional-grade tool built for precision and efficiency. It features 16 lines, 8 horizontal and 8 vertical, providing full 360-degree coverage for walls, ceilings, and floors. Equipped with a green laser beam, it delivers excellent visibility even in bright environments. The self-leveling system ensures accurate alignment, reducing errors and saving time on every project. With the 1500 mAh battery, it provides hours of uninterrupted work. The device also includes a touchscreen, remote control, and adjustable rotating laser screen, making operation simple and convenient. Its IP54 protection grade ensures resistance to dust and water, making it durable for both indoor and outdoor tasks. With ±2 millimeters at 10 meters and an effective working range of 30 meters, this laser level guarantees professional results every time.
Third product on the list, YEVOLT EVGLL4X S16 Green Laser Level. The YEVOLT EVGLL4X S16 stands out as a powerful 4D green laser level designed for both home and professional use. With 16 laser lines and a wavelength of 500 to 540 nanometers, it delivers bright, highly visible beams for precise alignment. This model features horizontal and vertical leveling, covering every angle for flawless results. Its ±0.2 millimeter per meter precision ensures outstanding accuracy, while the ±4 degrees self-leveling range and quick under 4 seconds leveling time makes setup fast and effortless. The device works within a 30-meter range, perfect for indoor construction and renovation projects. Built with IP54 protection, it resists dust and splashes, ensuring durability in tough environments. Lightweight at 630 grams, it includes a 3.6-volt 3000 mAh Li-ion battery, offering long-lasting power for continuous operation.
Second product on the list, WEIDDW 4D 16 Lines Laser Level. The WEIDDW 4D 16 Lines Laser Level is designed for both home users and professionals who value accuracy and efficiency. Featuring 4x360-degree green laser lines, it delivers complete coverage for precise vertical and horizontal alignment. With a 515 nanometer wavelength, the beams are bright and highly visible even in well-lit environments. It ensures 1 millimeter precision at 7 meters, making it ideal for construction, tiling, and interior finishing. The device supports both self-leveling and manual modes, offering flexibility for different tasks. Powered by two 2400 mAh rechargeable batteries, it runs for over 10 hours on a single charge. The USB Type-C port provides fast and convenient charging, while the remote control adds hands-free operation. With its metallic finish and durable build, this laser level is a smart investment for accurate, hassle-free work.
First product on the list, HGLINE 4D 16 lines laser level. The HGLINE 4D 16 lines laser level is a versatile tool for both home projects and professional work. It features 16 laser lines with 4D coverage, providing full horizontal and vertical alignment. With a 515 nanometer wavelength, the laser beams are bright and highly visible, ensuring precise measurements every time. This laser level offers ±1 millimeter accuracy at 7 meters and an automatic leveling range of ±3 degrees, making setup fast and reliable. The device supports remote control up to 25 meters and also comes with an app for wireless operation, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Built with IP54 protection, it resists dust and splashes. Its 25-meter working range and wide operating temperature, -10 to 50 degrees Celsius, make it suitable for various environments. Compact, durable, and precise, it's ideal for accurate, hassle-free leveling.